Okay, our next ingredient, I'm just going to clean off our cutting board here, is the kimchi. This is really the primary flavor in kimchi jjigae. And oftentimes, I think I said before, you get these giant jars of kimchi that people either make at home and bury, or you can purchase at the grocery store. You take the kimchi out, and it comes in these big, full cabbages that have been pickled and fermented, and they're fairly sour. So you take them and you chop them up. This is already fairly chopped up, but we're still going to do a little more. And the nice thing is you can see in the kimchi that they really do use the whole vegetable. This is all Chinese cabbage. Or Napa, I think that's what they call it. I'm going to take that. I don't know, it's about a cup and a half of kimchi. Just chop it up. It doesn't have to be very fine. Just makes it a little more bite size. Maybe some of the greens chop up a little more. Some of the longer pieces. And now we're going to add that right into our pot. But be careful, don't rub your eye, because it'll hurt.